Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another video. So you guys listen, don't tell Alana. Shh. Okay, you guys, mom's doing Nadine West this time. You know what? Alana loves doing Nadine West and she does such a great job. And I'm like, oh, go girl, do it. Do it, sis. Do it, sis. But then she was like, okay, mom, you don't have to do the video. I'll do the video. So she was trying to put me out the video. Like, how you put somebody out the video? Like, what? This is my channel. Don't tell her though. I'm doing a video this month. So you guys, we have Nadine West. We've got 2 bags. For some reason, we must have missed last month. Don't know why. We might have been busy. It's a busy month. But we're doing the double bubble bag. But the bags don't come bubbled anymore, y'all. I think after everything that was going on, trying to cut expenses and different things like that, they do come in these plastic bags, which are totally perfectly fine. We've never had any issues with them. But if you're new here, my name's Shakema. Hey, y'all, how y'all doing? I do monthly clothing reviews for a company called Nadine West. Nadine West is an online subscription company. What they do is you go online, you take a quick, brief 3-minute style quiz. Then they will pair you with one of their stylists and you'll see if what type of clothing that you like. You'll put in things like jewelry. I like gold tones. I like silver tones. I like mixed metals. You'll put in like, I like flowers or stripes, or I like straight lines. I like modest. You can put in all those types of things in their style quiz, and then they will send you several pieces. Normally I get between 5 and 7 pieces every month to include accessories, and they'll send you pieces to try. You do have to put your credit card information in. If you do not send anything back, they will charge your credit card. So beware of that. But if there's something in here you do not like, you may send it back. But on your invoice that comes on the inside of your bag, please make sure that you look by the date. They'll give you a date that you need to send back. If you don't send back by that specific date, they will charge your card. So anywho, I'm excited to see what we got. Easter's coming up and homie needs a new outfit. I will show you, this is a Nadine West top. I really do like the mesh at the top here. It is a 3/4 length. This is a long sleeve. This actually is a full sleeve, but I love 3/4 length, so I just kind of push it up. It is like a dress, but I always wear it as a top over leggings. This does have pockets in it, and I love this lovely color, and it fits me so well. So let's see what is in these bags. All right. Okay, so inside you get your invoice. It tells you what's in here, and it also gives you a return label. So if you need to return something, here's a label already pre-printed for you. So I have 2 tops, 2 bottoms, a dress, and a bracelet. Before the pandemic, you used to get like earrings, a bracelet, and a necklace, and I think people, it's just been a little bit tight for folks. So, you know, they've cut back, scaled back. Also, I have another shipment out, and it's been hard to get stuff in the mail. Like, it's just not coming on time. I've had like 3 or 4 different messages. Oh, your shipment's going to be a little bit late. But anyway, you get everything wrapped up in these nice bundles in this tissue paper. I did break my tissue paper. Sorry, y'all. All right. Here are some bottoms. Oh, those are jeans or jeggings. I love their jeggings. And then here is another pair of jeggings. They be hooking me up with the jeggings. That's all I'm saying. And in this bag, let me see. I'm going to slide that over. Okay. And in this bag, there's 2 bundles in here. Again, I have my invoice and my return address label. Remember, that's very important. If for some reason you're unable to keep an item, make sure you send it back by the due date, by the date they tell you. And then I have this bundle. In this one, I have 2 tops, a bottom, a dress, earrings, and a necklace in the gold tones. Now, I'm more of a silver tone, but, you know, it's perfectly fine. Okay. Oh, that's like an army blue? Huh. All right. So let's see what we have. This, I think, is a dress. Oh, no, that's a cardigan. That's like an army, though, that army blue. But it's a cardigan. Really, really pretty. I love a good cardigan. This is in a size large, which I am a large. I'm a medium large, just depends on how it's made. These are tummy control high-waisted leggings. They are like the black and gray, which actually I could wear with a black top that I do have. I'm not sure if it's Nadine West or not. It might be, but I also have a long black cardigan as well. And then I could wear a pair of heels with this. Normally with leggings, I just wear them around the house, but these could be actually dressy leggings. All right, let's see what I got here. Okay, this is a top, I think. It is. That looks a little wide. That looks a little wide for me. Y'all, I have lost inches. Doing Whole30, I haven't lost any weight, but I've lost inches. So this looks like it might fit a little big. I don't know, we'll have to try that. But it does have this detailing on the shoulder. So that shoulder detail, which is very pretty. But again, sometimes clothes look big until you try them on. So I'm going to have to give that a try and see. Myself or Alana. Oh, this is like a suede material. Earrings are cute. Oh, this is a dress. But it is a suede. Oh, it's a short dress. Y'all know I don't like short dresses. Can y'all see that? And it's short sleeve, but it does have a pretty sleeve detail. So a very, very, very pretty detail in the flower. It's like rose gold, kind of, if I was giving it a pinky, it's a pinky tone, rose gold. Oh, look at the bottom. And the bottom has that repeated detail that it has on the sleeve. Because Easter is here. And then, of course, all your jewelry comes in these cute little pink bags. And there is a necklace. That is heart. And then the earrings are cute. They're gold. I love silver better, but those are cute. All right, so let's see what else we got. Okay, again, in the style of the jeggings, and I love their jeggings. I wear all their jeggings. I mean, there's not been a pair of jeggings I don't think I haven't worn. And I love the skinny jeans or the skinny jeggings because they just make my body look better. Now, these feel like jeans. These feel like jeans. They're still that jegging material. But, oh, and they're ripped. Y'all, Nadine West has been coming up in the world. That's all I'm saying. I love a nice ripped jean. Look. With a pair of heels. Don't tell me I'm not cute. I mean, you could tell me, but I'm not going to listen. Okay, so we got this bag probably when it was more of the winter month. So that's why that's a little bit, it looks heavy. It's not thick. So it looks that color makes it look heavier, but it's real thin. Like I can see through. But on a cool evening, right? Long sleeves, cool evening. And then here's another top. They always have cute little tops, right? That's much more cool looking, like it doesn't look hot. And then it has that detailing here. And then the last thing that came in this bag, as far as clothing, okay, that's a dress. And I don't know why. I mean, there's a reason, I'm sure. But these flowers, I have questions. I love the bell sleeves. Love a bell sleeve. But I'm questioning this pattern. And then it kind of almost has like a peplum, like a little peplum thing. I don't know. Ooh, Easter is coming up. That's not my fave. All right, and then this says a bracelet, I think. Let me check. Yes, a small bracelet. Then you gotta have a small wrist for that. I don't even know if that'll fit. It probably will fit my wrist. I have pretty small wrists. Or I might wear it as an anklet. I might wear it as an anklet because it is sandal season. Well, it's cold today. Anywho, we're going to try some of these things on and see what you think. Alrighty, you guys, look who caught me. It was Alana. She's like, oh, Mother Mom, I'm going to try that dress on. Let me see. So, you guys, we tried on the things. Very nice. The outfits that I tried on, I love their jeggings. I love their jeggings. The ones I tried on were like the jean material. And I ended up thinking, you know, I thought that blue shirt was going to be too big. It actually fit perfectly. It just appeared to be large, but when I put it on, fit my body perfectly. And then the camo, let me get my terminology correct. Alana's like, Mom, you should have said camo. The camo cardigan was really cute. So I love that. Could easily see myself wearing that as an outfit. You know, loved it. No problem. Then I tried on the other leggings. I couldn't find my long black cardigan, so that short black cardigan did not kind of give the effect I was looking for, because I have a long black cardigan that's kind of the same as the camo cardigan, but I couldn't find it. So anywho, I definitely could wear those. I wouldn't necessarily wear them with boots. I would probably more wear them with heels or with booties. So I think I would do that. I didn't really love the boot effect, but heels for sure or booties.
So I tried on the like rose gold dress. I would say it's more of a shirt, or at least that's what I go with. I paired it up with some capri leggings and just some simple sandals. So that's good to wear. The material is very soft, so that was a good one. The next one I tried on was the other jeggings with like the pink shirt. It had the little detailing on the sides of the arm. That's a really good one. And I paired it up with a scrunchie I had, working up on my scrunchie collection. I was really glad I had that color. And then the last one I tried on was this one right here. The, what would you say?
Gray.
Yeah, like the gray, the long sleeve gray shirt. It has cuts on the side. I did not realize that when I first saw it. But definitely we put a cami on, so it works great. It's very snuggly and comfy. Definitely wear it on a nice cold day, just like today.
The leggings that I tried on, the black and gray leggings, are fleece lined. So that was good because today is a cold day. We had a hot snap, and then all of a sudden, I mean, we back to 60 and 50 something degrees, 43. I'm like, what? 43? What is happening? So they would be nice on a cool, crisp morning, those leggings. So, you know, there it is, you guys. We like the pieces, pretty much all the pieces. The only thing that didn't work good was the blue dress. We already knew, you know, we knew that was not going to even do nothing for nobody. Just that pattern wasn't us. We do like all the other pieces, and they're interchangeable. And because she and I share things, we're both able to wear the clothing, which I do like that. Now that she's older, she's able to kind of share things with me. She'll come in my closet and go, oh, Mother, Mom, are you wearing this? I guess not. I guess I'm not wearing it. Because maybe you are. So anywho, there it is, you guys. Nadine West, very simple. I think there's a link down in the description box. Click on it. Go to their website. Take that quick style quiz. It's 3 minutes max, 3 to 5 max. And they'll pair you up with a stylist, send you out a few things to see if you like it. Remember, you can always return something, but make sure you do so by the date. But there it is. That's our review for the month. I think we're good, and we're going to see you guys in the next review. If you like the video, be sure and thumb it up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Hit the bell so you never miss an upload from us, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye now.